If you want to get bigger clients, obviously you have to do service in higher end areas, bigger homes, people with more disposable income.
Putting yourself out in those neighborhoods that you want to work in is a good start. Obviously doing good work, so therefore, you're out mowing, you have a really nice looking yard, nice stripes. All these neighbors that are coming in, they see that, like, hey, I want my yard to look like that. So therefore, they're more inclined to call you.
Identify where those big clients are. Make sure you have the competence and the confidence to perform the services that they need, and then do marketing to them. Do direct Facebook ads to that neighborhood where the big money is.
Your website, the photos on your Google Maps, everything looks pristine and high end, and the way you communicate, even the way you pick up the phone, everything in your intentionality has to be a higher end or more top shelf.
Oh, you always market like you're a monster company, because that allows you to cherry pick your jobs. I started out residential because that's your simplest, easiest way to at least begin to get that phone to ring. And then you dream about going into commercial because they're bigger projects.
Tip for anybody who wants to get into more commercial, partner up with a property manager that manages several different accounts. So therefore, if you get in with them, then they'll start throwing these commercial accounts at you. But me personally, I think I like residential better because I would say that the profit margins are higher.
So you may do a $100,000 job and have a 10 or a 15% profit margin, where why wouldn't I do a $60,000 job residential with a 50% profit margin? And I can see the look on their face. I'm not just building something off from a blueprint like we did in the commercial end of it. I'm actually building somebody's dream. And when you finish that and accomplish that, the level of satisfaction you have as an installer is exponential compared to the level of satisfaction you have when you're working on a commercial project and nobody is there to give you an attaboy when the job is done. It's just a check. And that really doesn't lead to long-term satisfaction.